Alright, so I felt this in my spirit to turn on my camera and share a message with you all that I found important. And I wanted to share this with you all today because I felt that there's a lot of energy shifts happening with the new year and everybody is very excited, but I think it's also imperative to stay grounded right now and very much in the moment. So I hope that you have at least 5 minutes to spare to listen to this message that I think you'll gain a lot of value and clarity on, just based off of my experiences, but also some messages that I've been receiving, and I felt that I should share to help others in this journey of life and new ventures, and pivoting if you are in a new timeline, if you will, for 2025. So to start things off, you're doing great. You're doing great. And I don't think you should be super hard on yourself because we're second day into the year. If anything, it's the best time to stay grounded with your emotions and to just settle things out and to gain clarity, especially right now, because everyone is very excited, and they're ready to jump right in. But I feel like with everybody's energy ready to jump right into something, it kind of gets a little bit overwhelming and you feel like you're kind of in the mix of everything. So I want you to just sit back for a moment, reflect on what you've done over the past couple days, not just, too far back, but the past couple days, to get your mindset there, but also to stay grounded in the very moment and realize that this very moment of just being is a gift, and it's something that shouldn't be taken lightly, and it's something that should be accepted and felt, right? Like, you really want to feel this present moment, because that is when the energy shifts really happen, when you just sit and be. Now, I know that means oh, what, I'm not supposed to be taking action right now. Calm down. It's more so of allowing yourself to be magnetic and attract as well, right? So when you just allow yourself to just be present in the moment rather than just go, 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 go. I have these goals I need to accomplish. It's January 2nd. Oh my God, I'm already out of time. Calm down. Relax. Relax, okay? It's okay. And you got to give yourself grace, because we're already going a million miles per second, and we have to allow the energy to catch up to us, right? Like, if our mind and our frequencies are not aligned, then it's chaos, and then we're starting from square one all over again. So I am a big advocate for mental wellness and mental health, and just trying to gain practices around that and things like that. So I would like to encourage you to try to sit in the moment, meditate, reflect, breathe, and just allow yourself to be. Somebody who deals with a lot of anxiety, depression, I can totally relate, and I know what you're going through, and there's a lot of stress in your mind, and you're already like, oh my God, I already feel behind, I feel like my goals aren't clear. You're fine. Things will be fine. And I think when you just take a moment to sit down and breathe and realize that, it's okay. Now, another thing is 2025, we're going to do things a little bit different. So yes, we can create our goals, but what are those goals without the proper systems in place, right? So this first quarter, instead of going straight for those actionable goals that may not be accomplished within the first 4 months of this year, try to obtain the systems in place and the processes that allow you to kind of rinse and repeat and create those actionable steps towards those goals. If you haven't already, define what that looks like at a step-by-step basis, and then go towards that, right? So that way you're it's like training wheels rather than you trying to jump on the bike and just expecting to know how to ride the bike. Allow yourself some steps to get there, and then you'll get there a lot faster, right? I also just want to say really quick to just give yourself grace in this very moment, because you've come a long way from 2024 with all of its obstacles and challenges, trials and tribulations, whatever. You made it here. Be present in this moment and allow yourself to just be. Express gratitude as well, and that'll really help to shift your mindset. Every morning I try to wake up and express gratitude for God, higher power, universe, source, whatever you believe in. Express gratitude first, and as you're going through the day, just be thankful for everything you have in the present moment, because the universe is already working in our favor, right? Like, we're already working towards those steps anyway, as long as we stay goal-oriented, ambitious, and everything. But like, it really doesn't mean a whole lot if you don't sit back for a moment and just be thankful for what you already have. So I would say to just sit down for a moment and really reflect on all the things that you're thankful for in the moment, and just create those steps towards systems and processes that you'd rather start to implement in your day-to-day practices. And could be just daily routines and things like that. So I also have a guide in regards to all of this that I'll mention below in the description box, but it's a mindset challenge type of guide, and it has book recommendations as well. I'll list the books as well below. It's just a $5 guide. But the books are on my Amazon storefront, which I'll list in the description box below. I highly, highly, highly recommend those books to start your new year off on the right foot as you're going towards your goals. So allowing yourself to just be in the moment, shifting your mindset a little bit, relaxing, giving yourself grace, and working towards those systems and processes. I promise by Q2, you will be so, so proud of the shifts that you made. You'll be so proud of yourself, and you will look back and be like, wow, I'm glad I didn't just stick out this one big, overwhelming goal, that I was able to accomplish little things at a time to just build into that character that I want to be, right? Write this down, share this with somebody that'll find it helpful. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.